Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. In today's series, I'm going to be starting the dinner series where we are going to be showing wholesome dinners that you can make for your family by combining some salads, some roti, some lots of proteins and vitamins, and bringing it all together to make a simple and delicious meal for everyday dinners. Today's recipe is a Maharashtrian dish, which is a thalipeeth, which is made from methi, bajra, jowar and whole wheat chakki atta. And I'm going to be serving it along with some green chilli thecha, some beetroot salad and some dahi. So without wasting, let's just dive right in and I'll begin showing you how to make these 3 dishes for a wholesome dinner. So now to begin making dinner, I'm going to first show you how to make the thalipeeth, which is going to be with methi. I'm going to be adding some whole wheat chakki atta into this. This is one of my favorite chakki attas because it's extremely soft and makes delicious pulkas, rotis, parathas, and then a lot of snacks as well. And to this, I'm going to add in some jowar flour. Okay, that's a millet, and I'm going to add in some besan, add in some finely chopped ginger, green chilies. You can add more green chilies if you like it spicier. I'm going to add some sesame seeds, that is til seeds, hing as a potida, and I'm going to combine all of this, all the dry ingredients first before I add in the methi and the dahi. Dahi is usually added to make it soft. Okay, and I have some freshly chopped methi leaves here. I'm going to add the freshly chopped methi leaves into the thalipeeth dough, and we'll add the dahi, which is the yogurt, and we'll add a little water at a time and then knead it to make a nice smooth dough. We also have to add salt to this. I'm going to add some salt right now. Some salt, keep this aside, and I'm going to add some water and knead to make a nice smooth as well as a firm dough. So thalipeeths are very similar to theplas, but they are a little thicker. Although every home makes it differently. You can either make it thin or a little more thick like a bakri. It's completely your choice and how you like to eat it at home. You can also add haldi powder, red chili powder and all of that also into a thalipeeth. That's again your choice of how you like your thalipeeth to be. Okay, now that the dough has come together, I'm going to add in a little bit of oil, and then so that it becomes nice and soft and non-sticky. So now that the dough is ready, I'm going to quickly show you how to roll it and then make the thalipeeth, and after that we'll make the thecha and a quick salad. I'm going to start rolling the thalipeeth. I'm going to dust it in flour, the dough, and then roll it into a thick 4-inch diameter circle. I'm going to make it thick and not make it thin, and then we'll cook it in the pan with a little bit of ghee. Okay, quickly roll them and keep them aside. So it's like a semi-thick paratha. Now I'm going to start cooking the methi thalipeeth. I'm going to put it on a preheated pan and flip it a couple of times till you start seeing bubbles coming on both the sides and the rawness has gone away. So once that is done, you can either cook it with ghee or you can cook it with oil. So I'm just going to wait until the bubbles come. Okay, notice that the bubbles have started appearing on the thalipeeth. At this stage, I'm going to drizzle some oil and cook the thalipeeth until it's nice and brown and lightly crisp on both the sides. Because it's a little thick, it's going to take some time to cook. So cook it on medium-high heat so that it gets cooked evenly. Now, time to make our thecha, which is essentially a fresh green chili pickle, which is made from finely chopped green chili. So I'm going to make it in this pestle and mortar and called the yummy color, the seal pattar, right? And I'm going to quickly grind the green chilies and the garlic, and after that I'm going to give it a hing and mustard seed ka tadka. So let me just do that. So now that our green chilies is ground a bit, I'm going to take it out and then grind the garlic and then mix it all together. I'm going to add in the garlic and then grind the garlic into smooth coarse paste and then mix both of them together. Now that the garlic is also coarsely ground, I'm going to mix both of them together and then I'll proceed to give a hing ka tadka. Now for the tadka, I'm going to heat the pan with a little bit of oil, add mustard seeds, allow it to crackle, add a little bit of hing and salt, and then add the green chili thecha into this. Okay, so I'm going to add some oil into the pan and some mustard seeds and allow it to crackle. Now that the mustard seeds are crackling, I'm going to add in the hing and a little bit of salt. I've turned off the heat and I'm going to just lightly stir in the thecha to it. Be careful, when it is hot, the green chili can actually make you cough. Okay. So now that the thecha is done, I'm going to quickly transfer it to a bowl and show you how to make a salad and plate a wonderful, wholesome dinner. Now, lastly, to make a quick salad. Salads are very important to complete a meal. It adds color, raw vegetables are good for health, it helps in slow and easy digestion, and you feel hungry less quickly. So it's really good to include a salad in almost every meal of your day. So into my mixing bowl, I'm going to add in some cucumber, it's chopped, and some tomatoes, there's a lot of color there, and some beetroot. So grated beetroot. It's really good. Try to have beetroot raw because it has a lot of micronutrients from iron to vitamins, and there's a lot of things in there that's very good for you. I'm going to add in some peanuts, which is roasted. Peanuts are high in protein. Adding it to your salad increases the protein content in your dinner meal. Okay, and now some salt to taste. You can also add some honey if you want, but beetroot is sweet, so we really don't need some honey. And some lemon juice. Quickly mix all of this up and our salad is ready. So I hope you enjoyed watching how to make a simple and quick dinner, from a Methi Thalipeeth to a green chili thecha. It's a little spicy, just have a little bit, along with some fresh beetroot salad tossed in peanuts. You can also add some green chilies to it and a little bit of honey for added flavor, and some dahi as well, making it simple and yet wholesome for a quick weeknight dinner. Do give these recipes a try. When you do, don't forget to share your feedback in the comments below, because we will always be looking to hear back from you. So until then, until next time, happy cooking and healthy eating.